As a professional chef, I only use top quality equipment. Messermeister has been a huge part of my life ever since culinary school. So what if that quality in the kitchen I could also have outside by the creek next to my campfire? The time has come. I've got a portable folding cutting board, and it's not small. I could seriously get down with this cutting board. By having folding knives, not only is it safer and capable of going into my pocket, but they'll stay sharper longer and are substantially more compact so as to fit in glove boxes, backpacks, back pockets. So picture yourself using your pocket knife campside, trying to cut up an onion, and you get these big, oblong, awkward shapes. Enough. We can now cook like real chefs and at-home cooks, outdoors, camping with the family. Finally, an adventure knife kit I can take with me anywhere in the world. My kitchen just got a whole lot bigger.